Well, here she is. Roughed up, tore up, beat up, from the floor up. But, as you can see, it shouldn't be too hard to take out the color out of this. A lot of rust. Easy sand down job. Well, that's where one of the tires used to go. And down the side. And a big, big, dirty, trashy inside. As you can see, there's the back seat. Dirty as hell, torn up as hell. That's the bottom part of the seat, the floorboard. Looks like shit. And as you can see, there's the ceiling. Got to rip and strip all that down and refurnish it, replenish it, something. And another tore up seat. And there is the dash. An ugly beat up relic steering wheel. Gauges. Hopefully they still work. Dude, look at that fat radio player right there, dude. That's the new shit right there. That is the new shit. That's gonna pump and beat up everybody. Noise pollution like crazy. And as we walk to the back. There's the back end of her. Big old fat ass. Yep, there she is. Up on the blocks. Got her jacked up. Another view side of the jacked up interior. And got that one off. And then here's the jacked up wheels. Look at that. Tore up. Shredded and retarded. The other one's on. I don't know where it's at. Or it's on the back left. But there it is. There she is. Right there. Soon to be titanium green. Waiting for the new stuff to come in. Playing in the racing seats. Oh yeah!